Kids Learning TV.
Hello kids! Today we are going to learn about a poem about Independence Day. So let's start.
So, our poem title is Our Freedom, Our Pride. 15th August is a day so bright, filled with courage, joy and light. We remember those who fought for the freedom our heroes brought. Our tricolour proudly flies high under the shining skies. Saffron shows our courage true. White brings peace in all we do. Green reminds us of our land, united together hand in hand. India is our motherland. With love together we stand. Let India shine, let India rise. Let hope glow in our eyes. Together proudly stand for our beautiful motherland.